Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. So I'm here again with a new tutorial, how to add swap on Ubuntu 16.04 to increase VPS server speed and performance. So first we have to know what swap is all about. So swap is a space allocated on the hard drive, and the function of swap is to store the information data by operating system for a very short time when RAM is no longer hold that data. So actually this is one of the best way to increase the server performance. Many people don't know how to increase server performance, and they really want to increase their performance. So I suggest them to add swap on their server. Okay, so let's do this, how to add swap on Ubuntu 16.04. First check if there is already allocated any swap allocated on your server or not. To do this you have to run command sudo swap on -s, or you can also use free -m command, which is written here, to check this. So check sudo swap on -s. So it returned nothing. This means that there is no swap is allocated on the server. Now we can check it again by running command free -m. So you can see here that swap has total 0 memory allocated, use 0, free 0. So this shows that there is no swap allocated to this server. Now we have to check if we want to set a swap for this server. We have to check what hard drive space is available and how much hard drive is available. So this is run the df-h command, and this is our file system. The total hard drive of my VPS is 20 GB and 18 GB is free. So now we have to set the swap. Okay, many people ask that what should be the swap size. Okay, so swap size should be equal to 2 times the RAM. So if you have 2 GB RAM, you should set the swap size of 4 GB. If you have 4 GB RAM, you can set the swap size of 8 GB. As I have 512 MB RAM, that is half GB, so I'm going to set my swap size approx 1 GB, not approx, equal to 1 GB. Okay, so to do this we have to create how to create a swap file and allocate swap space on VPS. So run this command and replace this 4 GB with whatever you want to allocate. Okay, I want to allocate 1 GB, so this is done. Now verify. You can verify the swap allocated by running ls-lh/swap file. So you can check this. 1 GB has been allocated and the file name is swap file. Okay, now go ahead. What we have to do, enable the swap. So before enabling the swap, we need to set the permission for swap file so that only root user can read or access the file. To do this, run sudo chmod 600 permission to swap file, sudo chmod 600 permission to swap file. So permission done. Now verify the permission. You can just run ls-lh swap file, this one. So you can check, here is permission, read write, and then here is read write only for root user. Now for making swap file more secure, we have to set up now as our swap file is secure. You have to go ahead and set up swap space by running following command. So run this command sudo mkswap file mkswap slash swap file. Okay, so this is showing output setting up swap space version size is equal to 1024 MB, no label. So hence we set up the swap space. Okay, now go ahead. Now our file is ready to be used as swap space for server. Just enter the following command to enable swap on Ubuntu. So just run swap sudo swap on swap file to enable the swap on this server. Sudo swap on /swap file. So this will enable the swap on our server. You can check this. Now we can check. Earlier we have checked if there is any swap file or not. So it returned nothing. Now again we have to check this sudo swap on -s. Yeah, it is showing there is swap file and file size is this. You can also check this by running free -m command. So now you can check here, it is 1023 MB and 10 all is free. Now go ahead. Now swap is enabled, but the problem is that when we restart the server, it will not automatically enable, automatically start. So to do this at server restart, we have to just edit the fs file. So just go ahead and do this, running sudo nano to edit fs file. So here it is, our fs file, and add the following. We have to add this file, add this line to the end of the file. Okay, so just enter here, save and exit. Now final step, tweaking the swap setting. So you don't know what swap setting you have. To check this, there is a term called swappiness. It is a parameter configured at how often your VPS dedicated server swap data out of RAM. This value varies between 0 to 100. Value closer to 100 will try to put more your data into the swap space in effort to keep RAM free. Now, what should be swappiness for VPS or dedicated server? For dedicated or VPS server, it should be 10, and for desktop, it should be 60. Now check what swappiness currently we have on our server. So just print it, cat proxys this command here. So swappiness is 60. You can check, it is showing 60. It is for the desktop. So we have to define swappiness for VPS, which is we want to set it 10. Run this command to set the swappiness. Okay. Wait. Just set it to the 10. So see, swappiness is 10. VM swappiness is equal to 10. Now again, and this setting will remain unchanged only until next VPS server reboot. So if we will restart the server, this swappiness setting will revert to 60 again. So to prevent this, we have again we need to edit /etc/sysctl.conf. Okay, so to do this, and then we have to add this line at the end of this file. So just go edit this. Okay, so just add that line to end of this file. Okay, to do that, copy this line command and enter it here. Okay, now save and exit. Now, so this was all about how to add swap on VPS, Ubuntu VPS 16.04, and this will increase the server performance. So have a nice day. You can like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.